Hey guys, welcome back. So, I asked that you guys get your dry erase board. You should have gotten a dry erase board in the mail. And if you have dice, you can get your dice. And if you have markers, dry erase markers, you can get those. If you don't have dry erase markers, I thought I sent everybody some. I know some might have gotten delayed in shipping. If you don't have them, just use a pen and paper. Because if you use regular markers on a dry erase board, it'll ruin your dry erase board, okay? Now, we are going to be practicing adding. Now, last week we worked on adding using the plus and minus symbol. Now remember, the plus symbol looks like this. That means we're putting numbers together. Okay, and the equal sign means the same as. So the two numbers we're going to put together are the same as the whole, okay? So now we're going to use our dice to practice adding, okay? So I have a red dice, and I'll use a red marker, and a green dice, and I use a green marker for that, okay? So I'm going to roll my red dice. What number do you see? 4. So what number am I going to write here? Number 4. Okay, now I'm going to roll my green dice. Let's see what number I'm going to get. If you have white dice, that's fine too. I'm just using red and green to make sure. Okay, what number do I have? Ooh, what number is this? That is 6. So I have 4 plus 6 equals. So I'm going to put these all together. So let's count the dots. Ready to count together? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to practice counting on to put them together. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what does 4 plus 6 equal? 10. 4 plus 6 is the same as 10. Okay, so I'm going to erase my numbers. I'm going to do it again. So you guys can write 4 plus 6 equals 10 on your boards, okay? Now, when you're done, you guys can erase it. And we'll get started for the next one. You ready? I'm going to roll my red dice. What number am I going to get? Ooh, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to write what? 6. You guys can write 6 on your dry erase boards, okay? I'm going to roll the second dice. What number am I going to get? So you should have written 6 already. Ooh, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write 5 in green. So I have 6 plus 5. Now I'm going to add them and put them together. How many do I have all together? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What does 11 look like? If you forget what the numbers are looking like, you can get a chart with the numbers on, okay? So what does 11 look like? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is 2 ones together. So I'm going to write number 11. So on your dry erase boards, write down 6 plus 5 equals 11. Okay? Guys can write that down, and then we'll get started on the next one. Okay, I'm going to leave my plus and my equals. I'm just going to erase the numbers. You can use a an eraser that came with your board, or you can use a tissue, or you can use a paper towel, or you can use a rag, or you can be lazy like me and just use your finger. Okay, so let's roll our red dice. Let's see what number we're going to get. Ooh, here we go. Oh, we have it. 4. So what number am I going to write? Number 4. Okay, now, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, so I write the number 4. Then I roll the next dice. I had that one right. Okay, what number do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So what number am I going to write over here? Number 5. Down, around, top on its head. So 4 plus 5. I'm going to put these two numbers together. Okay, so let's get ready to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What does 4 plus 5 equal? It equals 9. So on your dry erase boards, write down 4 plus 5 equals 9. So we put those two numbers together. Okay? So now let's do this another, we'll do two more, okay? Let's erase this. And I'll erase this. And I'll erase this. I'm going to roll my dice again. You guys ready? What number is that? Ooh, what number is this? 3. So what number may I write down first? I'm going to write 3. So you guys can all write down number 3 on your dry erase boards. I'm going to roll this dice again. Ooh, what number do I have now? 1. So I'm going to write down number 1. And now I'm going to put these two numbers together. So I look at my dice and I see 1, 2, 3. Count on 1. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what does 3 plus 1 equal? 4. So I have 4 dots all together. Okay, we'll do one more together, and then I want you guys to practice a little bit by yourselves, okay? Now, okay, I'm going to roll this dice. And what number do I have now? 4. Roll this dice. Ooh, what number do I have now? 4. Double trouble. 4 plus 4. Oh my gosh, I remember we did doubles. Okay, so let's get ready to add these two numbers together. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Oh, double trouble. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So double 4 equals 8, okay? So now you guys can practice doing this using a dry erase board, okay? If you don't have dice, you can just ask somebody to make up a number for you that's less than 10 or less than 6 or less than 5. Okay, and practice doing that. You're also going to watch a BrainPop video about basic addition, about putting numbers together with Moby and Annie. Okay, because they help explain stuff. There'll also be a quiz afterwards and a Papa joke for our joke day. You guys should listen to that. Okay, and then I also put on a fun softball game called All About Me. And you can do all sorts of fun stuff, like give yourself crazy hair, and make your faces, and make your houses, and rooms and stuff like that. So it's a lot of fun. So I thought you guys might like to play that. And I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Wednesday, June 3rd. Tomorrow is going to be all about Kindness Day and empathy, okay? So let's talk about kindness tomorrow. So get ready for K for kindness. You guys can cross off J off your list because J is over. We don't have to write out J anymore today. And I will see you all on Wednesday. Bye-bye.